So in this question, they've given us this pretty ugly-looking function. They want us to find the derivative. But really all this is the chain rule applied a couple of times in succession here. So we try to identify first what our outermost function is. And our outermost function is going to be these square brackets here with the exponent 0.5 minus this 3 on the end. Those together make our outermost function. And then inside, we've got 2t plus 5 times t squared minus 5t all cubed. That is going to be our first inner function. And then our innermost function is this little bit in here, which is inside those round brackets there. So following the chain rule, we just start on the outside and we work our way in. So we're going to have p primed at t here. We are going to bring down the 0.5. Keep everything in those square brackets exactly the same. So t squared minus 5t cubed. And we subtract 1 from our exponent, so we get negative 0.5. And subtract, and then we have to do the derivative of 3, which is just 0, so we're left with that. Now this expression here is going to get multiplied by the derivative of what is inside those brackets, those square brackets. So this we can do term by term. We're going to do first the derivative of 2t, which is just 2, plus the derivative of this expression that we have right here, this 5t, and so on and so on and so on. To do the derivative of that, we need to do the chain rule. So we are going to bring down the 3. 3 times 5 gives us 15. Keep what's inside those brackets the same. Okay, subtract 1 from our exponent. And then multiply that by the derivative of what's inside the brackets. Well, what's inside those brackets is t squared minus 5t. So the derivative of that is going to be 2t minus 5. Close those brackets and close those brackets. So that is the expression for our derivative. And now we can just clean it up a little bit by, let's see, we can change that 0.5 to a 1/2 and bring the 2 down to the denominator. We can also bring this square bracket down into the denominator. It'll become, let's make it a root actually, because it's an exponent of 1/2. So we'll make this the square root of 2t plus 5t squared minus 5t all cubed. And then up in the numerator, we're going to have this term of 2 plus 15 t squared minus 5t squared times 2t minus 5. And that is going to be our final expression for the derivative.